Channels of this kind are having huge success on YouTube. You have probably seen similar videos in recent days, as they are going viral. Watch this example. With only 2 videos, he managed to monetize the channel and generate profits, reaching almost 1 million views with just 2 uploads. There is another channel in the same category, also new, that has posted only 4 videos. All but the first have exceeded 2 million views, an extraordinary achievement. This channel has gathered 167,000 subscribers. The best part is that these channels earn thousands of dollars every month. There are other competitors, like this one with only 29 videos that generates huge profits, as almost every video gets thousands of views. I have prepared a document with all these competitor channels and the necessary information. The question is, how do we create similar videos? I'll show you step by step how to achieve similar results by creating a video like this.
At exactly 10:43 a.m. on a clear April morning in 2020, all air traffic across the Polish capital froze. Flights were delayed, passengers stranded, radar screens blank. In the bustling control tower of Warsaw Chopin Airport, veteran air traffic controller Marek Gorski stared in disbelief as his systems flickered, stuttered, and then collapsed entirely. No storm, no hardware failure, just silence, and then chaos. Unbeknownst to him, 17 kilometers away, in a dim bedroom lit by 3 mismatched monitors, a teenage boy with chipped black nail polish and a half-eaten sandwich on his desk watched it all unfold and smiled. His name was Kacper, 17 years old, homeschooled, gifted, invisible. To most of the world, just another kid with an internet connection.
3D animations are created by artificial intelligence. It's amazing how much it's improving every day. You can accomplish a lot with this approach, and that's what I'll share in this video. We will divide the process into 5 simple steps that will cover how to generate viral ideas, create quality scripts, produce 3D animations, and assemble everything together. The first and most important element is to have a great story. After identifying our competitors and understanding which strategies work, we can leverage these videos as a source of inspiration. The process consists of capturing screenshots of these videos present on all these channels, and then uploading the images to ChatGPT with this request. Now, the prompts are already ready because I have analyzed and prepared the most effective prompts we can use to create this type of content. The prompts I will use can be found on my Telegram. You can find the link in the description. Now press enter and ChatGPT will create the best topic ideas inspired by all these viral videos that I have fed into ChatGPT. Now we can create the perfect script for any of these ideas by going back to the document and using the main prompt to generate viral documentary-style scripts. I have carefully crafted this prompt so we can get the best possible script to match the level of these competitors who are making thousands of dollars a month. Copy the prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. And then here insert your idea for what topic you want the script to be about. Once you have added the topic, press enter, and ChatGPT will perfectly write an entire script that is ready for narration, which will bring us to the second step, which is voice generation. For this, we will use a tool called 11 Labs. The link is in the description. Let's go to 11 Labs. Choose the section for narration. Here we filter by category, gender, age, and then choose the language and American accent. Now check for the best voice that you think fits best with the idea you are creating. For me, I think this one sounds good, so I will add this one to my list of voices and use it. Then we copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. Note that the maximum characters we can do at once is 3,000. Press generate and boom, here's a bit of what we got.
At exactly 10:43 a.m. on a clear April morning in 2020, all air traffic across the Polish capital froze. Flights were delayed.
Now we need to go to the next step, which is generating the images. I have taken care of this too, since I have prepared the prompt that you can reuse every time you need to make a new video. Copy the prompt from the DOC file I provided and paste it into ChatGPT. Now go and put your viral script in the indicated section. And finally, go and replace the parts where there are X's and put the number 15. And finally, copy your viral script and paste it in the appropriate part. Perfect. Now press enter, and we will have our prompts to create our images. To create the images, we will use GamesGo. It's a platform that offers tools shared with other users of various types, both free and paid. You can find the link in my description. Go to the AI section and click on ChatGPT. At the bottom, select Generate Images. Copy the prompt from normal ChatGPT and paste it here to generate the images. Boom, perfect. We got our first image that looks exactly like what I wanted. But I forgot to tell you to be careful and add the 16:9 ratio for every prompt you put. Fantastic. Now let's do another one. And boom, simple and perfect. Let's do the same for all the prompts. Here are all the generated images. They look really beautiful. Let's move on to creating the video files in Kling AI. Open Kling AI and navigate to the Image to Video section. Set Kling 1.6 at the top and paste the first image. In the prompt section, you can add words like slow zoom in, slow zoom out, or rotate camera. For this video, I'll simply use these options. When you're ready, press Generate. Here's the result. Not bad at all for using an older video generator like Kling 1.6. Perfect. Once we've created all the videos, let's move on to editing in CapCut. Import all your files into the project and insert the audio. Now let's start cutting the silences. Once that's done, insert the footage we created previously into the timeline and start shortening or lengthening them based on your voiceover. To create a video that truly rocks, we need to download additional footage to add even more value to our video. So let's head over to Pixabay and search for the keyword clock. Then download the clips we like most. Now let's insert the sound effects. Go up to the audio section and type glitch. Find the effect you like most and import it into the timeline. Do this for all the sounds you need. Shorten and lengthen the imported audio as needed, and lower the volume by going to the top right section when necessary. Let's add all the necessary text by clicking here at the top. On the right, write the pilot's name Marek Gorski. Choose the font. I selected Arial Bold. Change the color to black and set the background color to yellow. I think it's a great color to differentiate the text from the background. Scale and position the text on the right side. Animate the text by going to Animation and clicking on Showing Up. Press Alt and drag the text where you need it most. Rename the text and boom! Our viral video is ready. Press Export, but you're not quite ready to upload your video yet. Let's create the thumbnail. Copy prompt 4 from the doc file I provided in my free Telegram channel. Let's go back to the image generator to create our thumbnail. Paste the text and insert the reference images we screenshotted before, then press Generate. Wow. Incredible result. I'll give you some advice before you dive into working on this niche seriously. My advice is to create an editorial plan that allows you to upload one video per week without any problems. This will help you work more efficiently and not get too caught up in the ups and downs of view counts, which is quite normal in the initial phase. If this hasn't convinced you to start YouTube automation, then you need to watch this other video where I share a comprehensive 1.5-hour course on YouTube automation. See you next time.